What if I told you that for the first time since the Gaza war, an Arab nation just entered into Gaza Strip, not to fight, but to help Israel? Yes, you heard that right. An Egyptian resource team is now inside the Gaza, searching for the bodies of 13 slain Israeli hostages, and the mission has the world talking. Well, today we are diving into a shocking new development that's turning heads across the Middle East. Under pressure of the United States, and after a direct 48-hour ultimatum from Donald Trump, Israel has made a major concession, allowing Egypt's rescue team to enter the Gaza. This Egyptian team isn't armed with weapons. They've arrived grounded, penetrating radars, detectors, and heavy excavation tools to locate the remaining of the 13 Israeli hostages killed during the recent war. According to Israeli media, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu personally approved the move, something that hasn't happened in years. The Egyptian engineers, also with rescue experts, are coordinating with both Hamas and Israeli officials, two sides that almost never speak directly. Hamas, on the other hand, admitted that they are struggling to locate whether the hostages are buried. Gaza was heavily bombed during the conflict, leaving vast areas of destruction, and the burial sites may not be lost under the rubble. But here's the twist. This mission might not be just humanitarian. Some reports suggest that it's part of the larger diplomatic effort, possibly tied with old Trump-era peace deals between Arab nations and Israel. If true, it means Washington's hands are still into shaping Middle East politics, even from behind the scenes. And let's not forget, this is the first time an Arab nation team entered the Gaza since the war ended. With both Hamas and Israel agreeing, that alone makes it optimistic, historical, politically explosive. So, is this a real step toward the regional cooperation, or just another temporary deal under the global pressure? So, what do you think? What is Egypt's true motive here? Let me know in the comment section below what you think.